Hey everyone, it's Kasun here, and today I wanted to share my thoughts on the PowerBlock Elite EXP adjustable dumbbells. I've been using these dumbbells for a few months now, and I have to say that I am extremely impressed with them. They have a durable steel build and feel really solid in my hands. I also appreciate the fact that they are sold in pairs, as it allows me to easily switch between weights during my workouts. The adjustable weight range of 5 to 50 pounds is perfect for a wide variety of exercises, and the fact that they are expandable with expansion kits means that I can increase the weight as my strength improves. This is a huge plus for me, as I don't have to worry about outgrowing these dumbbells anytime soon. One of the things that really sets these dumbbells apart is their innovative design. They have a unique all-in-one feature that allows me to easily adjust the weight without having to switch out individual plates. This saves a ton of time and makes my workouts much more efficient. In terms of value for money, I think these dumbbells are definitely worth the investment. They are a high-quality piece of workout equipment that will last for years to come. Plus, the fact that they are adjustable means that I can use them for a wide variety of exercises and continue to challenge myself as I progress in my fitness journey. Overall, I am really happy with my purchase of the PowerBlock Elite EXP adjustable dumbbells. If you're in the market for a set of adjustable dumbbells, I highly recommend giving these a try. You won't be disappointed.